ओके व्हाट द हेल। आज का डीलिंग लॉ का जो मेरा प्लान था वो मैं एग्जीक्यूट नहीं कर पाया फॉर सर्टेन रीजंस एंड बाय द टाइम आई गॉट डन विद एवरीथिंग एल्स इट वाज ऑलरेडी 7 नाउ वी आर ऑलरेडी 27 डेज इन द चैलेंज। तो रोज एक नए कंसेप्ट पे एक आइडिया पे वीडियो बनाना इट गेट्स अ लिटिल चैलेंजिंग आफ्टर अ व्हाइल। सो नॉनदलेस आज मैं आपको कुछ ऐसा दिखाऊंगा विच इज स्लाइटली क्रिंजी बाय माय स्टैंडर्ड्स एंड माइंड यू कि ये 3-4 साल पहले हुआ था, 2018 में हुआ था। इफ यू रिमेंबर 2018 में हम लोग थाईलैंड गए थे और वो ट्रिप्स के भी ब्लॉग्स मैंने डाले हैं, बनाए हैं, स्पेशली द एपिसोड विद फीफी एंड स्कूबा डाइविंग। उसका लिंक आई एम लीविंग हियर एंड फॉर अदर एपिसोड्स आई एम लीविंग अ लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, गो चेक इट आउट। द डे वी वेंट स्कूबा डाइविंग, स्कूबा हम लोग सुबह 6 बजे करने गए और वापस आते थे भी हमें 5-5:30 बज गए थे शाम के। उसके बाद हमने डिसाइड किया था कि हम सो जाएंगे, बट वी वर सो एक्साइटेड एंड सो हाई ऑन द होल डाइविंग एक्सपीरियंस कि वी स्टार्टेड पार्टिंग ऑलमोस्ट इमीडिएटली एंड पहले रूम्स में पार्टी करने के बाद हम बाहर गए और लेट नाइट तक वी वर आउटसाइड ओनली एंड वापस आते टाइम बोथ ऑफ आवर वाइफ्स दे वर सिटिंग एंड चिलिंग बाय द पूल। मी एंड अविचल केम बैक टू द रूम एंड वी वर क्वाइट हैमर्ड माइंड यू। और उस स्टेट में आई मेड दिस रैंट वीडियो ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट 6 मिनट्स। 2018 का वीडियो है। देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस इन मी then and me now. I right now find it slightly cringy, but also it is information packed, true experience कि कैसा होता है जब आप actually scuba करते हैं। तो I was slightly reluctant to share that video with you guys, but what the hell. So this is not a reaction video per se, but बीच में you will see me making faces. So let's get started with that video. Oh my god. So I am slightly intoxicated. Please don't hold that against me. Let's get on with the video, shall we?
Well, hello there. I'm not hammered, not drunk, a little tipsy. The fact of the matter is that we're going to talk about this scuba. ये जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा देखने के बाद ना लोगों का दिमाग खराब हो गया है कि स्कूबा बहुत पीसफुल है, बहुत अमेजिंग है but there's a lot of work behind it. It's not that simple. It is not as simple as it looks.
Such contradicting statements. Let's continue.
If you're a non-swimmer, a word of caution, it is not going to be easy for you. जो लोग ये सोच रहे हैं कि अरे स्कूबा में तो तैरने का कोई पॉइंट ही नहीं है, गलत। जो लोग कभी भी स्विमिंग पूल में नाक के नीचे कूदे नहीं हैं, उनके लिए इट्स गोइंग टू बी एक्सट्रीमली डिफिकल्ट टू एडजस्ट because even for us who have been under the pool, under the water for longer periods, it was not that easy to get accustomed to breathing through our mouth. ठीक है, and breathing out through our mouth. That's the most important part. जो मास्क पहनते हैं वो वाटर ब्राइट होता है, बट एज यू गो डाउन प्रेशर इंक्रीज होता है वाटर का।
वाटर टाइट, नॉट वाटर ब्राइट, वाटर टाइट।
साउंड करता है कि कितना इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, बट हम लोग प्लेन से जब ट्रैवल करते हैं उससे भी ज़्यादा गंदा प्रेशर हो सकता है। ओनली टू अ डेप्थ ऑफ 5 to 6 meters आपके कान में बहुत एक्सट्रीम दर्द होगा। यू हैव टू pinch your nose and blow out into your ears to equalize the pressure. It seems very cushy कि बहुत साइलेंट है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है। जो आपका पीछे ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर होता है उस पर एक करके एक हाई पिच नॉइज होती है, which is a good sign, which means that your oxygen cylinder is working, which means it is not releasing all the oxygen at once. क्योंकि अगर आपका at sea level 1 bar 1 atmosphere pressure है तो inside the cylinder is 200 times the pressure. इसका मतलब है जब आप सांस ले रहे हैं तभी वो उतनी ही छोड़ेगा ऑक्सीजन जितनी आपको आपके शरीर के लिए ज़रूरत है। तो गेटिंग अकस्टम्ड टू द फैक्ट दैट यू हैव टू ओनली ब्रीथ थ्रू योर माउथ पीस, इट इज़ अ डिफरेंट गेम ऑल टुगेदर। तो आपको लग रहा है कि ये इट्स गोइंग टू बी पीस ऑफ केक, इट कुड बी, इट इज़ गोइंग टू टेक सम गेटिंग यूज्ड टू। दिस डज नॉट मीन दैट आई एम डिस्करेजिंग पीपल हु कैन नॉट स्विम। इट इज़ अ डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस ऑल टुगेदर। अगर आपने, इफ़ यू कैन टेक दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप off of the ledge of the boat into the ocean, everything is going to be fine. You need to trust your instructor. You need to listen to what he has to say. Don't think too much. Just stay calm. Think about something else. Let your body do the trick. Let your body do the routine, and you will be fine. Think about the stuff that you're seeing, that you're watching underneath. Don't think about any other stuff. There's one disadvantage which I like to say. यहाँ पे फीफी आइलैंड्स में हर 4 लोग के बीच में,
Okay, this is very important. This was a serious disadvantage that I felt. This could have been done better.
एक इंस्ट्रक्टर था which I think is not very okay. बाकी जितने भी diving sites हैं, they have almost one instructor per person, especially when they are not when they are non-swimmer. हमारी wives, both of us, me and Avichal's wives, were non-swimmers. They faced extreme difficulty. They overcame their fear. They stepped into the water, which is the biggest, bravest thing that they could have ever done. It was very difficult. It was extremely difficult. It is probably more difficult than taking the leap when you're at the top while doing the bungee. It was more difficult for them because they had never gone under the water. They did not know what they were doing. It was extremely difficult, but they did it very, very well. So it's an amazing experience, but it is not that easy. Even for the people who are good swimmers, if you're not used to your nose submerged underwater for longer periods of time, or your eyes underwater for longer period of time, you need to prepare yourself mentally that these things are going to happen. Don't get scared. Do not get scared, because getting scared and panicking is the worst thing that you can do. All you have to do is stay calm. Understand just one major thing. You have to breathe through the mouthpiece only and only. That is all that you need to do. Forget that you even have a nose, forget that you anything else. Breathe through your mouth, exhale through your mouth. There's going to be a lot of saliva. Suck it in, it's all okay. If you think there's water going inside your mask, blow it out, it goes away. But don't, जो swimmers हैं वो लोग ये कर सकते हैं, breathe in through your mouth and release it through your nose. Don't do that, क्योंकि जब आप ऐसा करते हो तो मास्क और आपके चीक्स के बीच में गैप आ सकता है, पानी अंदर लीक हो सकता है. Don't do that. Only जब आपके मास्क के अंदर पानी जमा हो रहा है तो press your mask up and pressure से release the water. That's the best you can do. बाकी relax. It's going to be amazing, because even though our wives panicked, but once they got used to it, they had the best times of their lives. It is peaceful. All you can hear is the bubbles, the sound of the machine of the oxygen cylinder, and yourself breathing, and that's that. And it can be really exhilarating. It is extremely powerful. It's a different kind of experience altogether. Every one of you should go through this experience. No one should miss this. And when you're standing at the ledge thinking ki I'll fucking drown, you're not. Because that is just the start. Just take that first step and you'll realize that you have entered space. Under the water, it's like walking into open space. It is that beautiful, it is that gorgeous. And if you can, just look up and look at the surface of water from underneath. It's going to change your world. It is.
Okay, this part is actually very true. There was a moment briefly. So there was this time when I was looking for Avichal and मैंने सामने देखा नहीं दिखा, आगे पीछे नीचे कहीं नहीं दिखा. Then I looked up and I found him nicely, floating in the water. And there was a brief moment wherein you could see the surface of the water. And it was really beautiful. That was one hell of an experience. Let's continue.
Going to change your world. Anyways, on that note, I don't want to impart too much of ज्ञान. I already have. जब आप स्कूबा के लिए जाओगे तो वहाँ पे आपको ऑलरेडी इंस्ट्रक्टर आपको बहुत सारा ज्ञान देगा. But these things you need to understand from a point of view of a person who's doing the dive for the first time. So, saying that, ciao for the night. We're quite hammered. Not so much. But it was fun night. It was a fun dive. It was amazing. I want to do it again. I want to do a certification course. I hope I can do that. Ciao.
So that was my hammered rant about my first experience of scuba diving. The actual experience of scuba diving. I hope you didn't find it too cringy like I did. Yeah, that's it for today. ज़्यादा लंबा करके मतलब नहीं. We're gonna keep it short and crisp. 1000 subscribers. Please remember 1000 subscribers. Help me reach there. And कल Friday है, as you know. तो कल का Friday night jam भी होगा. We're gonna bring 2 more songs for you guys, me and my sister, and we're gonna try our best to entertain you. On that note, see you tomorrow. Ciao.